In this video, I'll show you how to create this figure on the left. So insert a new element, click Create Part Studio, right click, rename it to Isometric 6. Now there are several ways to do this figure, but I'll go do the subtractive means of doing it. So click Sketch, and then this time click the top view. And then right click, view normal to sketch plane, and then hide the top, the front, and the right plane. So my strategy for this figure is to draw a square, a 3, because that's 2 plus 1, 3. So a 3 by 3 square. So select the corner rectangle and then draw from the origin, and then click and drag. Select dimension, two sides of it, type 3, and then this side as well, type 3. And then click the check mark to accept this sketch. Right click, and then click Isometric. And now if you look here, the height is also equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Select Extrude, click the sketch, and then change the height to 3 inches. Press enter and then click the check mark. So now I have a 3 by 3 cube. Now if you look at the top view of this object, you'll actually see that you are going to cut a 2 by 2 cube right here on this area. So if you look at the top view of that, it's going to look like this. Okay, this part here is a 2 by 2 cube. So I'm going to click on Sketch and then select the top face, right click, view normal to sketch, select the corner rectangle, and then from this corner, click and drag. Select the dimension tool, click, drag, type 2, press enter, and then this one as well, select that, type 2, press enter, and then click the check to accept the sketch, right click, and then click Isometric. And now we are going to remove this part, so click remove, and then we're going down to a depth of 2 inches. Click, and now we have this figure. Okay, now we're gonna cut this triangle. So there is a triangle right here that was cut out, and it says here from this side, from this point to that point would be 1 inch. Okay, so it's a triangle with two sides of it 1 inch. So click sketch, and then we're going to draw on this face. So view normal to sketch plane, and then just draw a triangle starting from this corner. So go click, drag, click, and then click. Select the dimension tool. So this side is 1 inch, same as this side, 1 inch. Okay, check. And then go isometric once more, and then extrude. Click on that triangle that you drew. And yes, we are removing again. And we're removing through all, or it's 1 inch. And then click check. Okay, so the last thing that we're missing now would be triangles right here. So if we draw a triangle here, and then remove that part, then that we're done. And then same thing here. There's a triangle here, and then we just have to remove that part. So do a sketch, click here, and then view normal to sketch plane, draw a triangle starting from that corner right there. Click, and make sure that your triangle lines are touching the edges of the rectangle. And then the dimension is simply This one is 1 inch. And this should be enough to constrain all of the lines and turn them all to the color black. So click check, and then right click isometric, and then we could now extrude that part, remove it, and through all, click check. And then once more, do the same thing on this side. So select sketch, select this face, view normal to sketch plane, get that line tool to draw the triangle starting from this corner, touching that line, and then touching that corner, and then back where it originated from. And then dimension this line. This should be 1, and that will totally constrain your triangle. So click check, right click isometric, click extrude, click that face, but instead of adding, we are removing, and then select through all, and then click check. Congratulations, you finished isometric number 6.